Take a ride in the 2017 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, ventilated front seats, lane departure warning, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.